Don't miss this 3-bedroom, 2-bath single-family home with bright open floor plan and 2-car attached garage located in the very desirable Isles on Palmer Ranch. Main living area and kitchen are nicely tiled, bedrooms are carpeted, separate laundry room, and large pavered patio directly off the living room or master bedroom. The community has spectacular amenities, large heated pool, exercise room, tennis courts, basketball, walking trails, and centrally located off Honore Avenue on Palmer Ranch, a short distance from the YMCA, Publix, Target, a shopping center, and just minutes to the world-famous Siesta Key beach. This is a great place to live.